Let's see how to keep red lines from appearing under misspelled words. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our sentence with all the words written properly. Now, for example, let's try and misspell this word right there. And you'll see that there is an underline. So this red underline represents misspelled words in the language that you set for Microsoft Word. So for this one, since the language is English, it considers the spelling as wrong. And so to remove this red underline, we can go over to the File tab, click on Options, and right here, click on Proofing. And right here, make sure to uncheck this box to remove the spell checker. And once you click OK, you'll notice that it is no longer underlined in red. And that is how you remove the red underline under misspelled words in Microsoft Word. See you soon!